Tawa ko lang.
Bakit?
Inis ako ba? Andyan yung anak niya, syempre bakasyon, di ba?
Ah.
Tapos brown out doon. Nahiwiran siya ng anak niya na huwag pumunta
Sa labas.
sa sayawan na, sa diskuhan na. Ay wala nga siyang kasama sa bahay, ay walang sila, natatakot siya.
Hanggang kailan ba ang ano ni Joa, ano yung pangalan nun?
Nilablab.
Oo. Hanggang kailan siya doon sa ano?
Sa July. Hanggang July. Bakasyon niya.
Diyos ko, parang nakakagutom naman to. Subway ba to? Ito eh. Ito.
Oo,
Sabi ko nakakagutom. Ang haba pa ng ano. Sana yung mga maingay?
Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, hinahayaan na nga kitang mag-disco. Kung ano gawin mo, hinahayaan kita. Pero pag nandyan yung anak mo na, sinabihan ka na anak mo na huwag kang umalis dahil wala siyang kasama, dapat yung anak mo ang unahin mo.
Pero may malapit kayong kapitbahay mo doon.
Malayo-layo bahay doon. Sabi niya, buti sana kung may ilaw daw, okay siyang iwanan.
Uy, paano makadisco may kung burn out?
Ang diskuhan may ano man,
May
generator.
generator.
Yun nga din sinabi ko, brown out, bakit nag-diskuhan? Saan ba diskuhan? Malayo. Malayo sa bahay. Oo. Sa bahay pa yun.
Hindi, ito. Hello po. Thank you. Rapples Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Bahala na, basta bilisan mo na naman, hindi na yun mapapansin. Basta tumaas yung kamay mo, pwede na. Oo, basta anuhan mo na lang, may siglahan mo na lang. Pag siniglahan mo, may hindi masyadong mahahalata. Good morning po. Ang galing naman, may guide talaga sila, no? May ano talaga sila, no? May checkpoints. One, two, three, four. Abang dahan nagsasayaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uy, mami, nakapunta na ata tayo dito dati, no? Yung naligaw-ligaw tayo, saan sa tayo lumabas? Ay, yung bumili tayo ng tubig, hindi natin alam saan labasan, no? Oh, doon sa harap. Saan? One Rapples Play. Nagbibideo din pala si Bangus sa dulo. Grabe, no, may ano ba dito? May mga customer pa bang pumupunta dito? Parang ang layo, ang ano? Oo, tahimik. Yan na may nakapula. Ayan na guys, dito kami punta.
Simon, register first. After that, you want to go what? Do what? Up to you.
Okay, okay.
Heaven na yung akin eh. 8%.
Okay, over here.
Kasya. Ken.
Yeah, very
Yeah, that's it. I never eat in the morning.
very sexy.
Wala naman din mo si Ate Grace.
Walang timbang. Grabe, walang timbang.
Ayos na babaeng to. Dalawa pa yan, dalawa.
O, saan na tayo? Ay, grabe, ang taas pala nito.
Bakit kumain ka ba?
40 na lang.
We just broke oh my God.
7 lang to.
O, di ba wala nga siyang timbang?
Sidi.
Puti. Kagulat. Wala pila dito. Pare-pareho lang naman. Ang sayaw daw, wag na sumila.
Ay, talaga, register muna kayo para may raffle ticket kayo.
Pa-register pala.
Dali. May gamit na kayo kay Mama. Grasya daw. Meron na nga kayo doon. Kailangan meron na.
PM for chance to win very attractive prizes.
Wow, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng venue. Hi, Dai.
Asan na, baby? Ay, asan na yung partner mo?
I have one more, right? Where's my orange thing?
Hello, mga maganda.
Ano pa rin?
Hello, Madita.
Ba't di pa kayo nag-iwan?
Bye pa. Ay, buwi yun. Ay, nakapusi.
Ay, ma'am. 7 sila lahat.
Ay, thank you. Ay, magandang bae.
Hello po. Nag-video pa talaga.
On YouTube.
Saan ba? Performance.
Performance to. NTUC yan.
Right, a gentle reminder once again that we cannot consume our food here at the auditorium. Also, gentle reminder to also look after your belongings. Just a little announcement right here. One of our sisters has misplaced or lost her mobile phone in room 801. The lost mobile phone is a Vivo Y16. It's a pink color silicone covered Vivo Y16. If you happen to pick it up, please approach our staff in red colored t-shirt. You can see them with
Bye.
CDE. And please return it to them so that we can give it to our sister who lost her Vivo Y16 pink colored silicone covered mobile phone. It was lost or missing somewhere around 801. Thank you so much for your help and please look after your belongings. Thank you.
Ay, wow, kasama ang mga anakin. Ayun. Ay, ayaw mo na. Taga-video ka man namin, pero parang magaling. Wow, may mga basketballista. Welcome sa Singapore. Uy, di mo binigay. Wala man akong ganyan.
Oh, di ba ang galing ko?
Ay, sina ate pala to. Hello.
Mauna kayo pagkain nyo?
Sila pa lang po. Kukuha ba kami? Sali kami.
Ay, mamu, dali na mamu.
Mamu, kami yan.
Dapat hindi kasama yan. Miss ko kayo.
Dapat
Announced between 1:30 p.m. onwards, and it's important for you to hold on to that PIN card, your card, as you need to show the correct number upon collection either on the stage or at the booth. Please drop your lucky draw slip in the lucky draw box located at level 7, latest by
Pero
1:30
kulang.
p.m. for a chance to win. I want you to flip them. I want you to show it to me. Show it to me, your event card. You need to make sure this event cards are going to be in our lucky draw box, okay? If you don't do that, you might miss out on the lucky draw prizes. You could walk away with an Asus laptop, a Samsung mobile phone,
wow!
an Oppo tablet,
Wow!
6 months free Singtel. You can call for hours. Your boyfriend, your boyfriend over here. Okay, maybe that too. Okay. 6 months from Singtel. That's for you. Okay. And you can win that when you draw your name right here. You can see your names, maybe even your face later on, right there. And we'll have a box here for you. Okay. All right. Once again, in case you get thirsty or want to eat something, the food can only be consumed outside, not here, okay? So please make sure you do that, okay? I want to hear first. I want to hear my people from Myanmar. Burma, where are you?
Pwede pa pala tayong kumuha. Hindi naman, wala naman palang
I want to hear my
wala naman
people
palang
from Indonesia.
Philippines! Philippines!
I want to hear my people from the Philippines. So many of you. Kamusta po?
Mabuti!
Okay ba kayo?
Yeah!
I'm not sure if we have other nationalities are here. Do we have friends from either India right here? Bangladesh? Do we have anything from Bangladesh?